Hi folks, Brian Helland here with Back to Brass. Today we want to do a little demonstration for you to show the effectiveness of Back to Brass versus the other leading brand that's on the market. What we have here is two of the same ultrasonics. We have two sets of 9mm brass. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up, run it on the shortest setting, 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes, and show you the results of how effective and quick Back to Brass is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to mix up some of the competitors' formula, and according to their MSDS sheets, you need to wear gloves while we use this one. So we'll put on the gloves. And I've already put the appropriate 20 ounces of distilled water in here, and we will mix half an ounce, which is 1 tablespoon, into there. This is according to their directions. Do that. A little residual off there. Let's take this back over here. And for the Back to Brass, we don't need the gloves. And we will be able to take, we have the 20 ounces of water in here. And we can take that and mix that in. And now the nice thing about the Back to Brass is because it's safe to touch, you can put your fingers in there. It's not going to be harmful, easy to use. Just got to give it a second to mix it in. Make sure it's dissolved. There we go. Alright, so now we will take the 9mm, put it in there. Oh, I should have left my gloves on for I gotta get too close to this other stuff. Definitely do not want to get your fingers into the other stuff. It does not feel good. So we'll put that in there. Those lids, they're both set for 180 seconds. And we will come back and show you how it works. Now the other nice thing about Back to Brass is you can keep using this over and over until you finally do not see the effectiveness of it. I have had some friends that have done over thousands of rounds in the same batch of solution. So not only is it effective, but it lasts a really long time. In the Back to Brass 2-pound canister, you're going to get 12 gallons. And in the Back to Brass 12-ounce canister, you're going to get 4.5 gallons. All right, we're back. We have a few seconds left on here for the cycle. Remember, this is just the shortest cycle, 180 seconds, 3 minutes. There, that one's done. Make sure I have my gloves on to get these baskets out of here. What we're going to do is just give it a quick rinse in the water, and then we will show you where that one is at for clean versus Back to Brass. This one, once again, I do not need the gloves for Back to Brass. You can have your fingers in there, not a problem. Just easier to handle, quicker, safer. Give that one a quick little rinse off in the water. And as you can see, the Back to Brass is significantly cleaner in the short amount of time than the leading competitor. All right, folks, one final demonstration here to show the safety of Back to Brass is we will take, this is 4 ounces, and we have 1 scoop to 4 ounces of water. Put that in there. We will stir that in there to dissolve. Now, this is something I would not recommend at home, but I just want to show you that the level of safety of Back to Brass. So when you're thinking about family members or anybody else that might get into this, this is where Back to Brass is like no other brass case cleaner on the market today. So we've mixed in our appropriate amount that would be the same that would be in the ultrasonic, and you can actually take Back to Brass. It's a little tart, but you can drink it. So if you want some more information, go to www.back2brass, that's www.back2brass, ultrasonic.com.